This short video is going to help you learn how to use Plicker, which is a free and easy to use classroom response system. First, you're going to go to plicker.com and select sign up. Put in your information to sign up. You can use your school email address or any email address you want to use, and that's all that's required for setting up your account. As soon as you sign up, it's going to give you quick information about what the library, reports, classes, live view, cards, and help can do for you. First thing I want to do is show you how to put in a question. So you click library, type in the question that you want to ask. For this one, we're going to do who is the current vice president, and enter a few choices. After you've entered your choices, you can go ahead and click Save. After you've you want to select your correct answer if you want to use a correct answer, and click Save. And now you've got a question in your library. Now we're going to create a class by clicking Add New Class, give it a name. I'm going to give it a practice class name, and it's going to be Other since we're working with adults, and the subject is Other, and save. And next you just start entering students' names. You type in a student's name and hit Enter. So in this class we have Practice Student, we have Random Student, we have Test Student, and Jane Doe and John Doe. If the numbers are not exactly how you like them in your class roster, all you have to do is grab the number and drag them around, and it will change the order of the number for the student responses. The next what you need to do is this is the only cost of this entire program, and that is to print off the cards. And if you look at the cards, you can see that there are numbers and letters on them. There are up to 63 different cards, and each one is numbered individually. And if you look around the outside of them, they have A, B, C, and D. When the students make their responses, they turn their card up so that the correct answer, or what they think the correct answer is, turns up to the top. The next part of Plicker is done from your cell phone or your iPad or other tablet device. You want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and get the free app called Plickers. You open the app and you click Sign In and use the same login information that you used when you created your account online. As soon as you do that, you're going to see a choice to go to one of your classes. So I'm selecting my practice class that I just created, and I'm going to go to Library to retrieve the question that I created about the Vice President. As soon as the question comes up, select it, and you'll get a screen that shows your class, the question, the students. Click the camera to start the assessment, and as you scan the classroom with your camera, you will see the student names will pop up. You'll see if they've gotten the answer right or wrong based on the color, green or red, or white if you've not actually gotten responses. Clicking the check mark closes the question and gives you the chart, and finally clicking the chart with a little X gets rid of the responses, clears them, and allows you to start over if that's what you want to do. From live view, this is what it looks like to the students. If you project this from the classroom, they see the question, and as they bring in the responses, you see that they start coming in live as you are scanning the classroom. So we can see that Jane answered B, John answered 2, Practice answered A, Random answered B, and Test answered B. We also see that they got those right. We can choose whether or not we want that to show. We could just show the students that they answered if you want to. And then we have some results. If you click the question under reports, it gives you detailed reports about the responses, who answered what, and this is printable for your records. And that is it for Plickers, and I hope that you're going to be able to use this and have a good time with it. Thanks.